Hello guys, I will now demonstrate you a secret code on how to figure out if your LCD is working. So I have here a phone and it is a Galaxy S2 and it is a Docomo version because it is made in Japan. And now I'm going to teach you a code that will figure out if your LCD is working good. So first is we're going to the dial pad, which is located on the left side of your phone. So after going to the dial pad, we're just going to press asterisk, then number sign, then 0, then again asterisk, then number sign. And after that, the LCD test or the secret code will going to appear to your screen. Then this test will test your LCD if it's working good or it is working efficient. So first I'm going to show you the sensor test. So we have here the sensor test. So the sensor test shows if your sensor is working. So let's press the sensor button. After pressing the sensor button, this will appear to your screen. This will show if your sensor is working and your LCD sensor is working. So now we're just going on how to test this is we're just going to put our hands or any object on the sensor of our phone. So this is my sensor, so I'm just going to put my hands on it. Then if the green light comes, and it means that your sensor is working good. So as you can see, my sensor or the sensor of my phone is working efficiently because as I tap or as I put my hand on the sensor, my LCD turns green. So other way or other test that I'm going to show you is the touch test, or if your cell phone's touch screen or if your cell phone screen can touch all of the screen. So first we're going to press the touch screen. So after pressing, it will come out to your screen. So this test will test your screen if all of the side of your screen is working. So let's test mine. I'm just going to rub or scratch all the sides of my screen to know if it is working. So after that there will be going to pop up some password, the word pass. So after the word pop up, it means that your screen is working or all of your screen can be touched. So you're just going to scratch all the boxes and all the boxes, I guess. And then after you scratch all the boxes, the pass or the word pass will indicate that your screen is working or all of your screen is working. So there is another test that I'm going to show you, which is the speaker test. So the speaker test shows that if your speaker is working, I guess. So let's touch the speaker test. So when I touch this, then the sound comes out. It just means that my speaker is working. Again, I'm going to show you the what do I'm going to show you? The sub key or the bottom line keys. So if my sub key are working, it should change colors or the LCD should change colors. So I'm going to press the back button. Then as you can see, my screen is working, or my sub key is working because the color of the screen changed. So I'm going to press the home button. So it turns red. So it means that it is working. So now let's go back. So that's the secret passcode for your Android phones to know if your LCD is working. So this code can be worked on any Android phone, especially on Samsung phones, Samsung S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, any Samsung phones can work on it, and especially on Android phones. I don't think on different kinds of Android phones, but just press the asterisk number sign and 0, then asterisk number sign 0. Again, asterisk number sign 0 and asterisk number sign. Then the LCD test will appear. So I guess that you have, or I have shared any or some information about Samsung phones or about your phone, and so that's all. And I guess